Alright, I'm going to show you guys a quick little tool to put some springs on some air brakes. These little bastards keep slipping off. Bought a regular pair of spring pliers for normal cars. Cut the tip off and then ground a groove into it to hold it. And let's see if I can do this with one hand. So what I was doing is hooking it. There we go. Hooking it on the bottom hole first. Alright, I'm gonna have to set this up. Hold on. Zoom in here so you can see. You can see the hole right up here. Yep, it's in the camera. So set it in there. I hook it in the first rivet on the pad, squeeze it, swing it over, and take the pliers. And snap it in.